guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday, guys. I'm really excited because this week I have some really interesting colors to review for you guys, like especially tomorrow. Like the colors are very interesting. Ready for it. Like I don't know, just a lot of them, okay, including these wigs that I'm wearing right now. Well, the one that I'm wearing right now and the rest of them that I will be reviewing today, they're all by Outre Melted Hairline, some of their frontal effect wigs. And we guys, you know, we love the frontal effect hairline wigs over here. This first one that I'm gonna start off with is called Amanda, and I have her in the color DR Almond Spice. And that's some new colors. Like all the colors that I have today are some new colors that they came out with, and I'm here for it. I'm super excited, especially this almond spice. It just gives me spice. Like it's just spicy. Like look at the color blend. It's so pretty and a little bit different because you don't usually get this color blend. So I'm really loving it so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm really loving this. It has a light yaki hair texture, but it feels like there's a lot of hair in the root. Like the roots feel kind of thick, honestly, but nonetheless I still love the wig. Like the texture is really beautiful, it's soft, and I did receive some shedding, but there was absolutely no tangling or snags in the wig so far, so that's pretty good. So it says here on the style card that it comes with baby hairs. That's true. It comes with a pre-attached wide elastic headband, and yes, it does, because it has two combs up front, one at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a regular cap construction, but the pre-attached elastic band is there. It's not an adjustable one, but it's just a regular one, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much what you get. And you guys know with the whole frontal effect hairline, no plucking is required. Pretty much what you get, right? You see the parting space right here? This is a left side part for those of you who are into left side parts. So it's a left side part, but instead of the lace being, and I'll show you guys underneath, so the lace comes down pretty thin and then it kind of opens up at the hairline, so it kind of goes into like a V shape at the hairline. That way you have a little bit more parting space, or not parting space, a little bit more lace that you can pre-pluck, although it is already pre-plucked, but it makes it look a little bit more natural. It makes it look like a frontal, if you guys get what I'm saying, because you know the frontal, you have lace all the way, you know, ear to ear. So that way, you know, you have a little piece like about an inch or two of lace, so it gives you like a frontal effect. So it's not a whole 13 by 4, 13 by 6, stuff like that, but it's like maybe like a 13 by 2, you know. So it gives you that effect on the hairline, and I really appreciate that. I really love the whole frontal effect hairline business. And of course, you guys know this is an HD transparent lace wig, so I did go in with my lace tint spray underneath up front to add that, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I added some heat just to flatten around the parting space. This is what the stock card looks like right here. Hopefully you guys can see it pretty good, and it comes in a lot of other pretty colors. It comes in buttered pecan, it comes in Java Frost, the almond spice, this is the one that I'm wearing right now. It comes in cinnamon wine, this is a color that we've had before. It comes in golden honey blonde, I think we've had that before. We've had the ginger brown before as well, that's a common one. And the creamy toffee, I think we had the creamy toffee before, something similar if not, okay. But I think the colors that really stands out is the buttered pecan, the Java Frost, and the almond spice. Yeah, those are the new colors that they came out with, and I'm loving it so far. Let's see how the others look. I'm really excited about that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to purchase this wig, check the description box down below. I'll link it down there. Of course, it comes in natural colors as well, so you can click on the link. It will take you directly to this unit on the website. You can choose your color and just purchase from there. But thanks again for watching, and stay tuned because I have some more coming up, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.